Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the last elf location and what we get for the last prize. So the last elf location is here. If you're on a regular game, it's going to be by the window. So here I'm just going to open the last present we got from the advent calendar and let's see what it is. Ooh, so pretty. Let's try it on. It's going to be in the dressing rooms here. So let's take this out, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.